Sexual abuse of an elderly person occurs when a perpetrator engages in any kind of sexual behavior or physical contact of a sexual nature without the person's consent. Sexual abuse is the least reported type of violence against older persons. However, 7% of EU women over 60 have indicated that they have suffered sexual violence in their lives, and 2% in the past year. Major reasons why women do not seek help or contact the authorities in sexual abuse situations are the stigma and shame that often accompanies such incidents. However, for older rape victims, these concerns may be even stronger. Whereas 9% of EU women aged 19 to 29 indicate that shame and embarrassment were primary reasons for not reporting sexual assaults, this number increases to 19% for women over 60, as they do not fit the stereotype of real rape, quote unquote, which is of a young, attractive woman who is attacked because of her sexual desirability. Society tends to view older people as asexual, based on ageist attitudes, which view old age as a process of gradual and continuous loss of value. Types of sexual violence include sexual assault or forced sexual intercourse, unwanted sexual contact such as touching or sexualized kissing, forcing someone to undress against their will or to perform a sexual act, or for older people being cared for, sexual violence may involve the cleaning or treating of the older person's genital area roughly or inappropriately. Signs of sexual violence can be physical in nature, including urinary tract infections, unexplained incontinence, such as bladder or bowel, unexplained venereal disease, bruises in genital areas, thighs and breasts, bleeding and bruising of the anogenital area, infection, tenderness, abrasions in the anogenital area, difficulty walking or sitting or pain when toileting, and emotional or mental indicators as well, such as depression or withdrawal, anxiety or excessive fear around caregivers, fear of being touched, insomnia, increased sexual interest, or increased sexual aggressive behavior. Long-term consequences of sexual violence include severe psychological trauma, fear and unwillingness to live at home, especially in cases where violence has happened in the home, long-term physical and health problems, chronic pain, depression, anxiety, insomnia, or distrust of others, increased use of alcohol or other substances, suicidal thoughts and/or attempted suicide. Prevention of sexual violence among older women is similar to methods for other types of violence, such as the use of safety planning and screening for early identification and intervention. In particular, methods must take into account the increased stigma related to sexual assault of older women. For example, that allegations will be taken seriously. Stalking is unwanted or obsessive attention by an individual towards another person. Stalking behaviors are related to harassment and intimidation and may include following the victim in person or monitoring them. Although stalking most often affects women under 25, it is also prevalent for older women as well, with 3% of women over 50 and 2% of women over 60 indicating that they have been stalked in the last year. This often occurs when the older woman is stalked by their former partners after the woman has separated from them.